What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Bitcoin because for the past couple of days this coin is again pumping like crazy. So in this video we will talk about the exact targets that I think that Bitcoin is gonna hit in the upcoming days. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about Bitcoin, and if you are interested about the exact price that I think that Bitcoin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. For the past couple of hours, I received so many messages if I think that right now is a good idea to open a long position on Bitcoin. So people are starting to getting into a FOMO. In my opinion, opening a long position right now is making like absolutely zero sense, because we are under several important resistances that I will show you on a higher time frame. And also for the past couple of hours we had here a pump around like 17%, which is for a Bitcoin like really a lot. So if you are, for example, interested about opening here some, let's say, short-term trading position, then the first area where I would like consider to open a scalp position on Bitcoin is this support area between levels 55k 800 and 55k 600, then this support area between levels 54k 400 and 54k 300, and then this area between 53k 400 and 53k 300. And the reason why I want to use, let's say, these support areas will be only for a scalp trade. So to open here a long trade, I want to see here, let's say, breakdown, fake out, and then again support confirmation above this support area. And the main take profit target for this trade will be under that 60k, because this is still like a really important resistance. So definitely the lower we will get, the better risk reward ratio will be. So yeah, if so from the, for example, from the first support area, you have your risk reward ratio around 11 if you will take only one take profit target. From the second support area, if the fake out will be small, you have risk reward ratio around 13, and from this last support area you have risk reward ratio, let's say, approximately around 21. But yeah, keep in mind that these are only scalp trades, and right now I think that there are much better opportunities on the altcoins than simply on the Bitcoin. Another interesting support area is then this bullish order block on the 1 hour chart, which is between levels 50k 900 and 50k 500. So again, the scenario will be quite the same. You need to wait for a breakdown, fake out, and then support confirmation. Again, stop loss in this case you can put under the low that we will create during a fake out. Remember, we are on the 1 hour chart, so the stop losses will be and must be here pretty small. And to the last take profit target, if you will take, let's say, 1.3% stop loss, then the risk reward ratio will be only like 13. And if we compare it, for example, to this previous trade where we have risk reward ratio like 22, you need to see that the potential risk and potential stop loss here is only like 0.5%. So the chance of getting liquidated here is of course much bigger. Okay, so to summarize my view on the 1 hour chart, definitely right now I think that there is currently not a good opportunity to open here any trading position, because yeah, the risk reward ratio is simply not that great, and the main resistance that I'm currently watching here is let's say around the area 60k. Of course, this current level like 59k 600 can be the current high, but I wouldn't be surprised if there will be, let's say, breakout, fake out, and then price reverse back down, or we can go for a higher levels, but that's something I want to talk about on the higher time frame. And let's now take a look on the weekly time frame. As you can see here, we are testing really important resistance area, which is between level 60k and then 58k 600 approximately. And if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there is definitely an opportunity to liquidate it to be tested above this current all-time high. But as you can see historically, this was like really important resistance here, because several candles, let's say, broke on the weekly chart this resistance area. but let's say the actual, let's say, confirmation was in the resistance area. And also you can see that, for example, here after a breakout and support confirmation, it was pretty strong support, and here after breakdown and resistance confirmation, we had a pretty big dump. So yeah, I think that this is gonna be really important resistance. If you, for example, want to short Bitcoin, I'm not saying right now it's a good idea because of that Bitcoin spot ETF narrative, but if you want, then I would simply wait here for, let's say, breakout, fake out, and then again resistance confirmation. And the last take profit target, in this case, I think you can put it somewhere to this previous area of the important liquidity, because yeah, if there will be some big drop, you can see that we didn't create here any important support, and the first important support here is in this area, which will give you like risk reward ratio around 8.1. so yeah, this short trade is actually not that bad, but because of that spot ETF bullish momentum, I just don't want to open here any short position. So let's now take a look on the potential long scenario. Of course, if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that the price can continue go up, but let's say the risk reward ratio right now is actually not that great, because even if you will put the stop loss just under this resistance area, so on the weekly time frame you will have like potential stop loss like 3.6%, then you need to put, let's say, your last take profit target, let's say around the level like 82k to have risk reward ratio 10.3, and still like 3.5% stop loss on the weekly chart is still like too risky. So yeah, the long scenario here, even on the higher time frame, is in my opinion not that great. The actual area where I would consider opening a long position on a weekly time frame is area between 43k800 and 39k900. You can see, for example, something like this, because then the risk reward ratio from this area will be really good again. But on the current prices, well, as I said, I think that right now is simply better to open a trading position on altcoins, because yeah, they are not that overbought. I kinda expect that a lot of you will disagree with this analysis, because yeah, Bitcoin is super bullish for the past couple of weeks, and simply a lot of people are thinking that we are gonna go reach the current all-time high. But simply I like to be, let's say, more careful and, for example, collect some of the profits now, because as I said, we are testing really important resistance, then regret that I didn't take some after there will be a big drop, because trust me, there will be a big drop. Even if we will take a look on the previous, let's say bull markets, you can see that there were like several drops. For example, this first drop had like 30%, the second drop had like 26%, and you can see that these like drops happened like always. So right now I think that there is definitely room to do, for example, something like this. And yeah, as I said previously, I simply don't want to open here any trading position on Bitcoin at the moment. Also, I need to say that I'm not saying that Bitcoin is gonna go down like for a long time. I think that the uptrend here is pretty solid, and I think that in the long run we are definitely gonna go reach and break this current all-time high, and also we are gonna go, let's say, test, for example, that 100k mark. But right now I'm just saying that in my opinion it's just better to be careful, collect some of your profit so you can't turn your profitable positions into a loss, because yeah, this was like an absolutely crazy week in which we made like absolutely crazy profit. So yeah, I would like to congratulate to everybody who is trading with me in my VIP or in my public Discord trading group. And yeah, all of I'm saying is that I'm just trying right now to be careful and collect the profit, so I am not turning them into a loss, because yeah, in the current situation that would be a shame. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.